Down. Do it again. Up. Down. Move, Kenzie. Honey, I think that's too heavy for him.
He's gonna do.
Too heavy. Move. Move. He's going to throw it at you. Down. Down. Good job.
I'm gonna move this.
Kingston, up. No, here. Up. Down. Good job. Nice practice. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Up. Down. Nice. High five. High five. You're so funny. Down. High five.